channel. Ito po yung baked sushi. Niluto ng anak ko at saka asawa ko. Let's try this one. Okay. Harap. Grabe. Harap. Woo! This pictures is Shein Music Salon. Music, Shein Piano Salon. Okay. Yan. Ma'am Shein. So, play tayo ng bagong video niya. Let's play one of her new video is Whiter Shade of Pale. Yan. Tsaka ito yung Tennis Waltz. Yeah. Tennis eh? Okay. Yan, bago yung last 3 videos ito. Yung mga video nila. Okay. Tsaka kuan na tayo. Like to thanks Shein for giving super thanks. Thank you very much, Ma'am Shein Piano Salon. Okay, thank you for this blessing. Okay. So while watching Ma'am Shein's video, let's eat and mag-shout out tayo maya. Shout out tayo sa mga member and non-member followers natin. Oh, thank you very much, Ma'am Shein. God bless always. So let's do the shout out. Shout out to Living After 50s also. Yan. Shout out tayo sa la la la. Lagay natin ang atin. Note tayo sa video ni Ma'am Shein. Yan. Yes. Let's watch Ma'am Shein video. Yan. That's it. Then sometime mag-kuhan tayo. Dito tayo sa taas. Okay. So while watching, mag-shout out tayo guys. Shout out tayo kay natin yung mga member natin. First member is Pink 96 Lovers. Shout out, ma'am. So Pink 96 Lovers, shout out. Okay. Next is Ma'am Honey Pie, my adopted member. Yan. Honey Pie Vlogs. Then mamaya shout out din tayo sa non-members natin. So shout out Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Shout out, ma'am. Next is our member also, Drawn from Life from Germany. Okay. Tapos na si Ma'am Shein sa yung isa na lang, yung bago, yung kanya whiter. Okay. Yan. Let's go on. Rewind lang. So Drawn from Life, shout out. Shout out din si Ship Hit. Si Ship Hit, yan. Dice. So shout out din natin si si According to Jeff, yan. Shout out According to Jeff. Then We have also, dito tayo mag-umpisa, yung mga baguhan natin, si Rosemary Yusuf, si Voyager Auto, Natalie. Kita ba? Okay. So, si Honey Pie. Shout out din si Honey Pie Vlog. Yan. Honey Pie Vlog. Shout out. Ito yung mga bagong videos niya. So, ito naman. Ito na tayo sa mga non-members pero suki natin. Ito. Suki-suki yan. Parang member rin yan. Si Jocelyn Barlam Vlog. Yan. Yan si Ma'am Jocelyn Vlog. Barlam Vlog. O si Remis TV Watkin. Yan. According to Jeff. Tapos ito kayo na. Shout out. According to Jeff. Ito yung bagong video ni Ma'am Shin. Whiter shade of pale. Yata yan. Nag-loading. So, ito tayo kay Treasure Trail. Yan. Yan. Bagong member natin yan. Si Rumble CC. Yan. Ito naman si Charles Copper Music Coupler. So, Lolok Mutista, shout out. Ito rin, at saka si Ronald Farmboy. Yan. Lakihan din. Para makita. Okay. Si Lolok. Lakihan natin. Si Bila Finish. Yeah. Lolok. Yan. Ay, ginatom ako. Kaya mo tayo ha. Sarap. Super yummy. Grabe. Super yummy. Big sauce siya. Ha?